Hello students, today we are discuss about the formula, molecular masses, empirical formula and molecular weight and molecular formula. Now first question in this formula of sodium phosphate PO4 minus 3 and Na plus, therefore its formula Na3PO4. It is an example of sodium phosphate. Now students, magnesium phosphate Mg plus 2 balanced by the Mg into 3 and PO4 minus 2 minus 3, therefore into 2, then balanced by Mg, it is a 3 times and PO4 2 times, then it is a balance. It is a formula of magnesium phosphate. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 2 ja 6, magnesium phosphate Mg3PO4 twice. It is a formula of magnesium phosphate. Formula of magnesium phosphate. Next, calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 twice. It is a formula of calcium bicarbonate. HCO3, it is a minus 1 and calcium plus 2. Therefore, HCO3 twice. Then it is a formula of calcium bicarbonate. Next, sodium nitride Na plus N minus 3. Then balanced by sodium, it is a 3 times NaN, Na3N. It is a formula of sodium nitride. It is a formula of sodium nitride Na3N. Next students, calculate the molecular masses. Suppose example potassium chlorate KClO3, K 39 atomic weight, Cl 35.5, and there are total 3 oxygen. One oxygen containing 16, therefore 16 3s are 48. Now plus all these 39 plus 35.5 plus 48. Then we get the value of molecular mass of potassium chloride is equal to 122.5. Calculate students this value. It gives the value 122.5. It is a potassium chloride. First students, we know about the formula, then we calculate the molecular weight. If you know about the formula and its atomic mass, then definitely we calculate the molecular weight of any compound. Next, copper sulfate, copper 63 as sulfur 32. There are total 4 oxygen, 16 4 ja, then 5 times water, water having 18, therefore 90, and 4 oxygen, therefore it is a 64. Then add this value in copper sulfate having copper SO4, CuSO4 and 5 dot H2O. Its formula copper sulfate 5H2O. Then add all these 3 value, 4 value 63 plus 32 plus 64 plus 90. Then we get the value of all these 3 addition 249.249. The value give the 249. We get the value 249. It is a molecular weight of copper sulfate 5 dot H2O. Copper 63, sulfur 32, oxygen 4 means 16 4 ja 64, and water 5 times means 18 5 ja 90. All this addition we get 249 molecular weight of copper sulfate 5H2O. Next example, chloroform. Chloroform having 1 carbon 12, 1 hydrogen 1, and there are total 3 chlorine, means 3 into 35.5. Atomic mass of chlorine 35.5. Then we get the value of chlorine 106.5. 106.5. Then total addition, we get the value of chloroform atomic mass 119.5. It is our atomic or relative molecular mass of chloroform 119.5. Now next, from molecular formula we calculate the empirical formula. Now suppose molecular formula C6H6. In this carbon 6 means and hydrogen 6 means it is in the ratio of 6 raised to 6. It is a molecular formula. Now we calculate or it convert into empirical formula. Then 1s1 in the ratio of, then it is a calculate the empirical formula. Then number of carbon 1 and number of hydrogen 1. Then C1 and H1, it is a empirical formula of this C6H6. तो हम लोगों का जो C6H6 है उसका ये मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला था, तो हम लोगों को जो एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला मिला तो हम लोगों को रेशो में था उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया। द हम लोगों को इट हैविंग 1 कार्बन एंड 1 हाइड्रोजन, देयरफॉर एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला C1 and H1. It is a empirical formula of C6H6. Next example, glucose. Glucose having total 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. Therefore their ratio 6 raised to 12, 12 raised to 6. It is a molecular formula. It converts to empirical formula divided by 6. 1 raised to 2 raised to 1. The carbon 1, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. It is a empirical formula of glucose C6H12O6. तो molecular formula क्या है? C6 है, H12 है, O6. It convert into empirical formula. Then it having 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Empirical formula. Next example, acetic acid which having 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen, which is in the ratio of 2 raised to 4 raised to 2. 2 hydrogen है, sorry, 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. It convert into empirical formula. Then divided by 2. 1 raised to 2 raised to 1. Then carbon is equal to 1, hydrogen is equal to 2 and oxygen is equal to 1. It is a empirical formula of this acetic acid compound C1H2O1. It is a empirical formula of C2H4O2. Last example, C2 and H2. There are 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen, means 2 raised to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 raised to 1, means it having 1 carbon and 1 hydrogen. It is a empirical formula of C2H2. It is empirical formula of C2H2. Empirical formula C1H1 of molecular formula of C2H2. Now we find the empirical formula of the following compound. There are total 17.7% of hydrogen and 82.3% of nitrogen. Their percentage, it is 100%. Therefore this compound having only presence of nitrogen and hydrogen. Now we already know the atomic mass of, first we calculate the hydrogen 17.7 upon 1. Then we get the value percentage composition 17.7. Then nitrogen, it is a 82.3%. and atomic mass of one nitrogen is equal to 14. Then we get the value of 82.3 upon 14 is equal to 5.87. We get the value 5.87. Now upper value 17.7 and lower value nitrogen 5.87. It is then we calculate the simplest ratio, the smallest value. In this, hydrogen having 17.7 and nitrogen containing 5.87. It is 5.87, it is the smallest value. Then divide by 17.7. Then we get the value of 17.7 upon 5.87 is equal to 3. Then compound having 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. It is an empirical formula of this compound. It is an empirical formula of this compound which having 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen, which containing 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. इसमें स्टूडेंट्स एक नाइट्रोजन है और 3 हाइड्रोजन है, empirical formula. Now next question. To find the empirical formula and molecular formula. In following compound present in carbon 54.54%, hydrogen 9.09% and oxygen 36.36%. Now their percentage we calculate, it is 100%. Therefore no another elements present in this compound. Now first we calculate in this carbon 54.54 upon 12, then we get the value 4.545 value. Then hydrogen 1 means we get the value same 9.09 and oxygen 36.36 upon 16, we get the value 2.27. We get the value 2.27. Now simplest ratio, smallest value, this carbon 4.554 divided by 2.27, then 9.09 divided by 2.27, then 2.27 divided by 2.27 means oxygen, there are 1 oxygen, there are total 4 hydrogen and there are 2 carbon present. Therefore its empirical formula C2H4NO. C2H4O. 2 कार्बन रहेंगे, 4 हाइड्रोजन and 1 ऑक्सीजन. Empirical formula. Now we calculate the empirical formula weight from C2H4O. 2 carbon means 12 2s are 24. 1 into 4 is equal to 4 and 1 oxygen means 16. The empirical formula weight is equal to 44. It is a empirical formula weight. Empirical formula weight. Now molecular formula weight. Now molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. In this example there are 44 vapor density. Therefore molecular weight is equal to 88. Now we calculate the n value for our empirical formula. Then it convert into molecular formula. Therefore we need the n value. Then our 88 molecular weight, then 88 molecular weight upon empirical formula weight, then we get the value of n is equal to 2. Then our last formula, we find the molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. We have already the empirical formula in this example. In this example having 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Then and value of the n is equal to 2. Then we get the molecular formula: C4 carbon, hydrogen 8 and oxygen 2. It is a molecular formula of this compound which having 4 carbon, 8 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Look this स्टूडेंट्स इसमें हम लोगों ने पहला फार्मूला क्या देखा, मॉलिकुलर वेट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू वेपर डेंसिटी। दूसरा वैल्यू क्या देखा, हम लोग को फाइंड करने वाले एन वैल्यू फॉर मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला के लिए, तो मॉलिकुलर वेट अपॉन एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला वेट। एंड लास्ट फार्मूला मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला इज इक्वल टू एन इंटू एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला। तो लास्ट फार्मूला से हम लोग वैल्यू वी आल्सो फाइंड द एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला फ्रॉम मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला। थैंक यू।